The guy is missing, correct? Okay, I will show you another one time, last time. Hope did you clear right? What is the approval process, how it will work?
Yes, sir.
If I click new, testing, approval process. Okay, for example, Bhargavi, she is applying filling the form. Okay. Now Bhargavi is fill the form. In the filling the form, whenever we are doing a construction. Okay. Now Bhargavi she is in real estate business. Now the Varsha is the customer. Okay, he came Bhargavi office. Now Varsha is interesting to buy one flat, one plot. She want to buy. Now what she will suggest? Now Bhargavi, she is explaining everything to to Varsha. Now Varsha is giving a yes, I'm interested. You can proceed it. Now Varsha is giving the amount, advance amount below 50,000. We should have to not take the amount. The amount should be like we can take, but the manager he will not approve the record. The manager when the approved record, whenever the amount advance is 50,000 above, then only the manager is approve the record. Now the Varsha is giving no account. What's the account name? For example, Varsha. Okay, Varsha is giving 50,000. Now 50,000, 50,000 she is giving the amount. Okay, now just click save. Now Bhargavi is created a record. Now the Bhargavi is created the record. So what are the next step? And she is, if I click detail, then she can able to see. And now she want to send this record. She want to send this record for the approval to whom? To Hemant. To Hemant. Now Hemant is a manager, correct? Now Hemant is a manager. Now Bhargavi is sending this approval to the Hemant. She want to take approval from the Hemant for the further process. Now now the Bhargavi is sending a record to the approval. How she is sending the approval? Just she's clicking submit for approval. Sir, please check and approve the record. Okay, just click submit. When she clicks submit, right, then automatically the status is processing. The status is processing. Now, so what are the next step? Now, whenever the manager is login, now the whenever the Hemant is login the Salesforce, and he will get notification. He will get notification, and he is a manager. Okay, he is a manager. Now he can able to see the notification. If he click right, then the account name is Varsha, and who is creating here? Abdul Mir it is right. Instead of Mir Abdul, you can think Bhargavi. Bhargavi created a record on Varsha account. If I click the record, then he can able to see all details. Yes, Varsha given me 55,000. Click is approved. If I click approve, please complete the task. Okay. If I click approve, then what will happen? Now Hemant, sorry, now Daya. Now Daya, he is a assistant director. Now he is a assistant director. If I click from logout, okay, now the Hemant work is completed. Now he's given approve because the criteria is matched. When the Hemant is logout from here, then what next? Now the Daya is login the page, then he can able to see one task automatically. He can able to see one task here. Okay, one task. Now he can able to see that record is created. The record is check status. If I click the complete, if I click completed, so related to whom? Varsha. Okay. If he click the record, then he can able to see the details. Now he is a director. Who? Daya is a director. He is checking everything. Yes, it is approved. Yes, if that when the director is seeing the approved, then only he can able to click the complete option, complete button. Until unless when the Daya is not checking, he can't able to click the complete. Daya is checking everything. Like yes, he given the 50,000 and the status is a approved. Yes, it's fine, looking fine. Now he's going to click a completed. Now log out the page. Okay, and after that, uh, you can able to see here processing instead of processing. Now this is a Bhargavi page. Now this is a Bhargavi page. Bhargavi login page. If I click open, then the Bhargavi can see here approved. This is approved. Okay. The now here what's the next step? Uh, Click here. Mm, if I open, now you can able to get the email as a processing completed. If I click open, no. And also you can able to see the rating is updated. Hey Varsha, we have received 52,000 ownership. Not this one. Correct. We publish which pan. Let's give it. Okay. So you can able to fix like this only. When we first step, we should have to ask the approval. Then the managers he will give the approve. Then the third person he need to be check everything. Then he will complete a task. Then he will complete a task. This is a thing it will done. Clear everyone? Hope you clear. Mm, Guys,
Yes, sir, we have understood the flow.
it's a easy one. If you practice 2 times, right, it's very, 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 very easy. I will give now the admin topic is completed. Okay, Puneet, I want to take one class in that I will cover 2 topics. Then you can able to continue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's see here. Okay, open the page. And then sorry, related. This is a upload history. Just open it. The page. I can able to see only 2 things. Open the read page. Look at role detail. Okay, click back. Leave it. Now I want to add more fields in this upload request option. Edit object. Now code type, relation rule, fields and relationship. It is there. Upload setting. Mhm. Upload process. So you can able to see our upload process. Just open the upload process again. Mm, there is one option which we can able to add fields. Mm, Okay, approval page layout is there, right? Just open it. Okay, you can able to see, right? Only name and owner, which we can able to add annual revenue and what is this? Status and email, industry. Okay, these are all the things I'm adding. Just click next. Owner. Just click save. Okay, click done. Now, if I go to account, it's done, right? Now it's a text flow 3 is the amount. Just click save. So we can't save the record because the record trigger flow and account. Okay. So I'm giving a nothing. Hmm, 50,000. Save it. Okay. The record is saved. If I click submit for approval, please check. Okay. I have sent. Now the user login. Open. Now login his manager. Now you can able to see all fields. Now you can able to see, right? So the manager he can able to see all fields. Now he will click the approve. Let's click approve. Okay. Hope did you clear everyone? How we can able to add the fields in approval history?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Everyone got it? Mhm. Yeah.
if something is wrong, like if the manager is not okay with that annual revenue, can he again send it to his subordinates, like revert it back to them?
Yes, we can able to do
Yes.
with the help of the recall.
Recall.
If
Okay.
I click log out, very good question. Approval process. You can able to see right here recall option.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. When we can able to as a recall as well. Okay. Okay. Mm, wait, Punit. I will show you the case assignment rule. I have completed this case assignment on trial, which is a queues. Guys, everyone, I have completed you got the queues, right? How we can able to create a queue and how we can able to assign the queue to case assignment rule and lead assignment rule. Guys, Hemant, Daya,
No, sir.
Varsha. No, 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 not Punit. Punit, I didn't explain this one. Okay, I already explained to them. Uh, Daya, Hemant, Bhargavi, Varsha. Did you aware of this
Yes,
topic,
sir.
right?
I'm there.
Which I
I'm there.
have done. Okay. So simple, the queues. Okay. Puneet, this is the topic. Okay. The queues and which I have assigned which I have created one queue here. Okay. Like what is the queue exactly? Okay. Puneet, I have completed a case assignment rule, right? There is a topic case assignment rule and lead assignment rule, which we can generate a lead form and case form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's a case assignment rule means which we can able to assign, which we can able to assign a record. For example, this is a case. Okay, this is a case record. If I created a queue, this is a queue. In this queue, I can able to see 4 users. Okay, I can able to see 4 users, and this is a record. And this record is very high priority. Very high priority. Within 15 minutes, we should have to complete this requirement for this record. Okay, now customer is raise a case. Customer is raise a case. This case record is very high priority. So in this case, when we created a queue, right? Whenever the criteria, what is the criteria here? Whenever case status should be high, status should be high, then automatically the queue. This is a queue. Okay. In this queue, I'm having 4 users. In this queue, I'm having 4 users. Like for this record, this 4 users as a owner. This 4 users as a owner for this record. Okay, why means the record is high. The record priority is very high. When user one is not available, then user two can able to do. Then user two is not available, user three can able to do. And user three is not available, user four can able to do. Like within in this 4 users, any one user can able to do this requirement. So this is a queue. This is a queue. Queue in the sense one record having a multiple owners. Multiple owners. Like one user is not available, second user can able to complete this requirement. Like it will go. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, sample case. Okay, Puneet,
Yes,
did you
sir.
got? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it's a case. Okay. Now in this case, I will assign the users. I will assign the users here. So who is the user here? Uh, this both. Okay. These both users. In queue, I'm having 2 users. In queue, I'm having a 2 users. Just click save it. Which object I have selected? Case object. Correct. It's a case object. Now, if I go to case assignment rule, if I go to case assignment rule, then already I'm having standard. So I don't want standard. I want my own assignment rule, which is the custom case assign. Okay, we should have to click active. Okay. If you created a 10 case assignment rule, then in this 10 only one should be active. One should be, so this is active. If I open the one assignment rule, then here you can able to enter multiple conditions. You can't be enter only one condition. You can able to enter multiple conditions. If I click new, then the short order should be start the 100. Start the one also fine, but the best practice you should have to click 100 only. And second condition, you should have to keep here 200 like this. Now entry criteria. Now case region is equal to uh, performance. Insert. Okay. Now which user want to queue? Now I don't want to make owner only one user. I want to make queue. I want to make all users. I want to make all users should be owner of this record, because one user is not available. Second user should solve the issue. So that's why I should have to click a queue. Okay. Now I will select a Alex group. Then you can able to select a email template as well. Email template as well. Exam. So it will not work because this is account, right? Now we have created a case. So if you want to insert the email template as well, it's fine. Okay. Now click save it. Now click save it. If I click save, now here you can able to assign second condition as well, third condition as well, fourth condition as well the criteria. Now what conditions I have given here? If case regional is equal to performance. Okay. Now go back to case. First of all, we should have to go object manager and open case. First of all, we need to go to case page layout. Open the case page layout. and we need to check layout property. It's a default. It's showing a okay submit and attachment button is okay. Mm, Status. Layout property is one option. Okay, case assignment checkbox. Case assignment checkbox. It's active, or else we can able to put the default. Or I don't want to do anything, just click save it. I have not done any kind of changes. Go back to case. Go back to case. Open the case. Okay, if I open this record, okay, you can able to see what is the region. Region, if it is performance, correct? If it is performance, if I click save, then uh, change status. Here it will come automatically owner. Okay, there is one option, call it as a let's open in classic. Open the case, detail. There is one option, let's call it as a performance. Click save. I can make it as a default. Just click save. Refresh it. Launch. Record. Performance. Click. Oh, detail. Then here we can able to see one option. Call it as a if you enable the owner, it will come automatically. What is the option, man? New. Okay, you can now you can able to so for creating a record only. For we are creating a record, then we can able to see a assign using active assignment rule. If we disable, for example, case reason, if it is performance, okay, case reason if it is performance, then case origin, what is it? Instant, right? If I click save, drop down, then I can't able to see anything. Correct. So when it will happen, if I click edit, then I can able to see a option here. Yes, I got it now. Then we can able to see option. So if I close this one, if I go to other case, which is a old case, this is a case, right? Which is a old case. Okay, like previous case. Like here below we can't able to see the option. Okay, now you should have to click edit above. Then you can able to see the option here automatically. Okay, why it's showing a default? Because in case page layout, I have make a default. That's why the checkbox is enabled. If I click save, then automatically the owner is changed to Alex Group. Now every owner, if I log into the user, okay, got it. So if I log into the user, where is the user here? It's a user. Okay, if I open the record, step 3, case. Okay, why the case object is not coming here? Why means for this user, we have selected a platform one profile, which is sales standard platform. Standard platform profiles, the few objects it will not applicable. Few objects you can consider case object and you can consider lead object. Do these objects for this profile it will be not applicable. If I click log out, then what you can able to see here, this is a platform one, right? Mm, if I go to profiles, new profile, okay, now I can able to select standard user. Okay, standard user, if I select platform user, if I save, go back to the user page and click edit. If I make, sorry, if I select Salesforce, okay, then I will select platform user. Okay, if I click save, right, now, okay, if I log in to this user, okay, now I can able to see everything because I have changed the profile. Now I can able to open the case object. User owner, correct? Now click Alex group. If I click Alex group, if I open the record, if I go to the, yeah, see here in this Alex group, he can able to see his user as well and others user as well. For this user, for this, now he can able to solve this issue, or else second user also he can able to solve the issue. Clear, guys, everyone? This is a case assignment rule, and as well as a lead assignment rule also same as it is. Same as it is. So this is a very important. This is a very important steps in the Salesforce, which is a case assignment rule and lead assignment rule. Why it's a very important means lead when the new customer enter into the market. So every client he can't able to miss the leads because If I want to run a business, lead is very important, correct? Whenever lead is entering into the market, whenever lead created in the Salesforce, then we having a one queue. In that queue, we can able to see number of users. So one user is not applicable, second user can handle the lead. So that's why the lead assignment rule and case assignment rule queues is very important. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a topic, and next thing, data migration. Data migration. Punit, the data migration is completed, right? Which export and import.
No, sir.
Okay. Daya and Hemant, Bhargavi, Varsha, the data import and visa completed, right?
Yes, sir. The import and export one.
Yes.
Yes, it is completed.
Okay. So for example, let's say this is a okay. You're not getting late, right, everyone? Guys, you're not getting any late, right?
No, sir. No, no.
Okay. So Punit, so this is data migration. Data migration in the sense, like for let's say you're working in where Zepto, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now think your manager is giving a Excel. Okay. In this Excel, I'm having a name and a phone, amount, okay, and industry, okay, and ownership. Okay. Now this John, John 1. Okay. Then, okay, it's an example. Hope did you got this example? Okay. Ownership. Uh, Okay. So this is a data your manager is giving to you. Okay. Okay. Now, Punit manager, now he is calling Punit. Hey Punit, I'm giving a data. This is a customer data. This is a Zepto customer data. Please store this data in Salesforce database. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, everyone, please, if you forget, this is a best chance to hear again. Now I will download
Now I
this
will.
Excel. Sorry, see here. We can't able to Salesforce can't able to take Excel files. It will take only CSV file, which we can able to see a CSV. Okay. Salesforce, it will take only the CSV files. It will not take the Excel files. It will take only the CSV only. Now the Punit having a customer data. Now he want to upload. Now he want to insert in the Salesforce. Now he need to insert in the Salesforce. So how we can able to insert the data? Okay, just click refresh. So search here data import wizard. If I click data import wizard, then we can able to see here launch wizard. Just click the launch wizard. Then in this data import wizard, we can able to upload how many records? 50,000 records only we can able to upload. See, in this only we can able to see how many records? 9 records. Like that, 50,000 records we can able to import in the data with the help of the data import wizard, we can able to insert 50,000 records. If it is more than 50,000 records, like Zepto customer data, I'm having overall 5 lakhs records. In this Excel, I'm having overall 5 lakhs records. So how we can able to understand? The Salesforce given to us one tool, call it as a data loader. Data loader. In data loader, we can able to insert 50,000 above records. Like 5 lakhs also we can able to upload. 50 lakhs data also we can able to upload in with the help of the data loader in one shot. In one shot, we can able to upload 50 lakhs data. 50 lakhs data. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now click. Now we are going to insert the data. Now we are going to import the data in the Salesforce. Just click new record. Now he can able to see only CSV file only. It's asked to us. Now click CSV file, use file, and you can able to see sheet one. Okay, just click open it and click next. When we click next, then it's showing unmap. Why the unmap here? Because the account object fields are different. Now header the fields are different, and account object in Salesforce account object fields are different, so we should have to give the names properly. So it's a map. So these are all the Excel headers. Okay, now it's not a mapping, so we should have to map what is the amount in the sense annual revenue.
I don't remember.
Okay, click map it. Okay, now ownership will also not map. Search it, ownership again. Okay, ownership. Let's click map it. Clear? Now, name. It's confused here. Like which name I want to take? Account name or contact name? No, you should have to take which name? Account name.
Account.
Yes. Let's click next. When we click next, then it will show on it will like this page. Like it's telling to us. Now I'm mapping fields in that Excel. In this Excel, I can able to see 4 fields. In this Excel, I can able to see 4 fields. So I'm mapping here. If I click start import, then it will show a small pop-up. If I click OK, then it's a bulk data load jobs. Like in this page, we can able to see records are stored or not. If I scroll down, we can able to see process records how many? 9, and failed 0, retailed 0. Now if I go to the record, if I go to the account object, so here I can able to see totally 9 records are processed successfully. Okay. All accounts John 1, see John 1, John 2, John 3, John 3. Ninth which we have given here other for the ownership other, right? It's other. Communication we have given. Clear? This is how we can able to import the data. Puneet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tomorrow I will give one big project, admin project, and you should have to work on it. And after the